Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Portia Maseko and this happens to be the life of or the life as Portia Maseko. Today's video we are applying blush and doing our lips and highlighter. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go in with this deep pink over here as my blush. A little goes a long way, so and how nice and how beautiful I look. I just like to bring up my blush up here just to give like my face an uplift. And I'm also gonna go back in again with the blush because with the highlighter, let me show you the highlighter that I'm gonna use. This is the highlighter that I'm using. It's a lot of things inside here, so I'm just gonna take a little bit and then close it again because it makes a mess. I don't know if you notice, but do you see that? And then a bit on my chin. See that? Just a small amount here. Do you see that? Just a small amount here. And then maybe on my nose. Now how's that? You're gonna take a brush and then take some from the brush because like it's highly pigmented, child. I don't know if it's showing. Is it? Yeah, it's showing, but it's not. It's not strong. It's not harsh. Then you're gonna go in again. See, see, see that? And then I've already contoured my lips. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. Then we're gonna take a little bit of foundation that was left here on my hand and do my lips. See? And I'm just gonna apply lipstick on top. Not lipstick, what am I saying? I'm gonna apply what's this? lip gloss.